What is chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program that simulates human conversation through voice command or text chat. Chatbot is an artificial intelligence feature that can be embedded and used through any major messaging application. There are a number of synonyms for chatbot, including talkbot, bot, imbot, interactive agent or artificial conversation entity. Chatbots boost operational efficiency and bring cost savings to businesses while offering convenience and added services to internal employees and external customers. They allow companies to easily resolve many types of customer queries and issues while reducing the need for human interaction. With chatbots, a business can scale, personalize, and be proactive all at the same time, which is an important differentiator. For example, when relying solely on human power, a business can serve a limited number of people at one time. To be cost-effective, human-powered businesses are forced to focus on standardized models and are limited in their proactive and personalized outreach capabilities. By contrast, chatbots allow businesses to engage with an unlimited number of customers in a personal way and can be scaled up or down according to demand and business needs. By using chatbots, a business can provide human-like, personalized, proactive service to millions of people at the same time. Types of chatbots. Number 1, rule-based chatbot. Number 2, AI-based chatbot. What are rule-based chatbots? Rule-based chatbots are also referred to as decision tree bots. As the name suggests, they use a series of defined rules. These rules are the basis for the types of problems the chatbot is familiar with and can deliver solutions for. Like a flowchart, rule-based chatbots map out conversations. Rule-based chatbots can use very simple or complicated rules. They can't, however, answer any questions outside of the defined rules. These chatbots do not learn through interactions. Also, they only perform and work with the scenarios you train them for. A rule-based bot can only comprehend a limited range of choices that it has been programmed with. Predefined rules define the course of the bot's conversation. Rule-based chatbots are easier to build as they use a simple true-false algorithm to understand user queries and provide relevant answers. What are AI chatbots? AI chatbots that use machine learning understand the context and intent of a question before formulating a response. These chatbots generate their own answers to more complicated questions using natural language responses. The more you use and train these bots, the more they learn and the better they operate with a user. This bot is equipped with an artificial brain, also known as artificial intelligence. It is trained using machine learning algorithms and can understand open-ended queries. Not only does it comprehend orders, but it also understands the language. As the bot learns from the interactions it has with users, it continues to improve. The AI chatbot identifies the language, context, and intent, which then reacts accordingly. What is chatbot architecture? Chatbot architecture is the spine of the chatbot. The type of architecture for your chatbot depends on various factors like use case, domain, chatbot type, etc. However, the basic conversation flow remains the same. Let us learn more about the critical components of chatbot architecture. Here is key component of chatbot architecture. 1. Question and answer system. As the name suggests, the QAMP, a system is responsible for answering customers' frequently asked questions. The question is interpreted by the question AMP, answering system, which then replies with appropriate responses from the knowledge base. It consists of the following elements. Manual training. Manual training entails the domain specialist compiling a list of commonly asked user questions and mapping out the answers. It enables the chatbot to identify the most relevant questions answers rapidly. Automated training. Automated training entails sending business documents to the chatbot, such as policy documents and other QAMP, type documents, and instructing it to train itself. From these documents, the engine generates a list of questions and responses. The chatbot would then be able to respond with confidence. 2. Environment. The environment is mainly responsible for contextualizing users' messages using natural language processing, NLP. The NLP engine is the central component of the chatbot architecture. It interprets what users are saying at any given time and turns it into organized inputs that the system can process. 3. Front-end systems. Front-end systems are the ones where users interact with the chatbot. These are client-facing systems such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Business, Slack, Google Hangouts, your website or mobile app, etc. 4. Node server, traffic server. It is the server that deals with user traffic requests and routes them to the proper components. The response from internal components is often routed via the traffic server to the front-end systems. 5. Custom integrations. With custom integrations, your chatbot can be integrated with your existing back-end systems like CRM, database, payment apps, calendar, and many such tools, to enhance the capabilities of your chatbot. Here are some chatbot benefits. Number 1, 24/7 availability. Customers needn't wait for the next available operator when chatbots are part of the communication strategy on a round-the-clock basis. Number 2, instant response. Chatbots can handle the queries of thousands of customers instantly as well as simultaneously and improve the average response time. Number 3, consistency in answers. The use of chatbots can help businesses maintain a great level of consistency in answers and improve customer experience with the brand. Number 4, omni-channel. AI-powered bots come with omni-channel messaging support features which help customers communicate with businesses through various channels such as websites, Facebook, etc. Number 5, personalization. Bots can ensure a touch of personalization by engaging customers with one-on-one conversations, maintaining a natural-sounding tone, and by being good at interactive communication. Number 6, multilingual. Your business can program the sales bot to answer queries in the language of customers and expand the reach to new markets or territories. Number 7, order without human help. Thanks to bot-driven automation, customers can book orders or do transactions without any human help. How do chatbots benefit sales, marketing, and customer service functions? Chatbots help companies by automating various functions to a large extent. Through chatbots, acquiring new leads and communicating with existing clients becomes much more manageable. Chatbots can ask qualifying questions to the users and generate a lead score, thereby helping the sales team decide whether a lead is worth chasing or not. Chatbots can help a great deal in customer support by answering the questions instantly, which decreases customer service costs for the organization. Chatbots can also transfer the complex queries to a human executive through chatbot-to-human handover. How to create a chatbot. Step 1. Give your chatbot a purpose. Identify what you want your chatbot to do. The more specific you are, the better. You can start by asking yourself a few questions. Once you have the answers, it will be much easier to identify the features and types of chatbots you'll need. Step 2. Decide where you want it to appear. What is your main communication channel? Do your customers contact you mainly on social media or via a live chat widget on your website? Either way, check whether the chatbot platform of your choice integrates with the tools you already use, so you can serve your customers where they are at. Your website. The majority of chatbot building platforms offer integrations with popular website providers such as WordPress, Magento Chatbot, or Shopify. If you want to use social media channels such as decision tree flows, Facebook, you can skip this step. If you want your bot to understand the user's intent, you need to add an NLP trigger to your chatbot. Step 7. Collect feedback from users. No one will rate the effectiveness of your chatbot efforts better than your visitors and customers. The best thing you can do: let the chatbots send an automatic customer satisfaction survey, asking the users whether they are satisfied with the chatbot interaction. Based on the results, you can see what works and where the areas for improvement are. Step 8. Monitor chatbot analytics to improve it. Last, but not least, commit to monitoring your chatbot activity. This will give you the chance to spot types of chatbots that don't provide the best customer experience and don't work for your visitors. To make it easier, Tideo lets you monitor the drop-off rate as specific message nodes.